Hey guys, Leanne here on Grady's Mom. I have a Walmart grocery haul. You are most likely watching this on Friday morning. I did go to the grocery store during the week because this weekend coming up, as probably most of you know, is Super Bowl weekend. And I live in a big, I'm sure all of us live in areas where people watch the Super Bowl, but we live in like a big sports area. So the grocery stores get crazy anytime there's like, you know, Super Bowl or World Series or any kind of playoffs. And I just want to completely avoid Walmart this weekend. So that's why I went during the week to have this up on Friday morning. This was $120. I did have a few coupons, so I'll definitely let you guys know which items I purchased because of the coupon. I'm going to start here and work my way down to the other side. One thing that's not on the counter is just this pack of Great Value brand paper towels. They had pretty limited options for paper towels. They did have all the brands available, but not that many in the big pack. And I always buy these in bulk. So this was $16, I believe, for the Wal-Mart brand. So that just gives you an indication of how expensive paper towels are, which I'm sure most of you already know. Okay, so other than the paper towels, I picked up this pork chorizo. I don't know why I've never noticed this before, or maybe maybe it's new, I don't know. But it was like $1 or something, and I think it was over by like the cheeses, but I definitely want to make like a stir-fry pasta dish, maybe a rice dish, something out of this. I want to either combine this with rice or pasta and a bunch of veggies. I love chorizo, and I've never noticed this before, so I'm excited because if it's good, I want to pick up a few more and throw them in the freezer, especially at $1 and change per roll. Some bananas, as usual, for Grady. I got 3 large green peppers. I want to do some stuffed pepper soup, and obviously I cook with peppers a lot. I'm pretty sure I have a stuffed pepper soup video, so I'll link that down below as well. I did get another Great Value grape jelly because I'm almost, I'm like 3/4 done with the last one, and I use it for the little smoky sausages. This is also good with, as I almost drop it, with mini meatballs and with barbecue sauce in the crock pot. So I just got another one. They're like $1, I think 97 cents. Some little easy peel mandarin oranges. We all like these, and especially the easy peel. They're just good for my son. I got some Minute Maid Zero Sugar Pink Lemonade. I've been getting a bottle per week. My husband's creamer is getting low, so I got the Southern Butter Pecan International Delight Creamer. I got the Danimal Smoothies little shooter cups for my son. I buy these every other week. I think there's 12, and he drinks one a day. So I usually pick one up every other week when I'm about to run out of the previous one. Also, we're trying these Belvita soft filled breakfast cookies, I guess. It looks like a soft shell cookie, kind of like a Fig Newton consistency, with strawberry in the middle. I did have a coupon for any Belvita product. I'm not personally a huge fan of Belvita. I know people love them. I've tried several different varieties. I'm just not the hugest fan. But I did want to try these with my son to see if he would like them. I think these were about $3 and change, and I had a $1 off coupon. I also got some of these Yoplait frozen themed little yogurt cups for my son. They have strawberry and blueberry. My son's yogurt pouches. He takes one of these to school almost every day in his for snack. So I got the strawberry banana Stonyfield pouches and the Danimal cotton candy pouches. I normally get 2 Danimal, but this was the only one left that wasn't very, very close to expiring. So I just grabbed one of these, you know, to get us through the rest of the next week, since the expiration date was pretty far out. I also got these Planters mixed nuts with sea salt. These were pretty expensive. I mean, granted, this is a large 2-pound container, but this was like $18. So definitely a nice chunk of change. So I picked this up because I thought they'd be good to put out, you know, a bowl for Super Bowl, and we snack on nuts all the time. So I just thought that was a nice variety. It has cashew, almond, pecan, pistachio, and hazelnut, so kind of a better, you know, a little bit higher end mix of nuts. I got these Go-Go Squeeze, apple, banana, and strawberry. They are, they have a prebiotic fiber, like fruit pouches for Grady. Also the Great Value yogurt tubes. They're like Go-Gurts, but Walmart brand. I got some fully cooked bacon just because it's easy to just have this in my like cheese drawer. Sometimes I just want to throw it on like a burger or a sandwich or a grilled cheese, and it's just easy to have it already cooked. I don't know if I said strawberries, but I got some strawberries, some Great Value brand Vermont maple breakfast sausage. I'll probably throw this in the freezer. Some Sargento Colby Jack cheese sticks for Matt. These I thought looked really interesting. I've never heard of this brand. It says it's the Candy Kitten brand, and it's gourmet sweets from London, tropical mango. So I don't know, I just thought it was something different to try, like a gummy candy. These, I do not know why, it looked really good. They are the Great Value brand Rice Krispie treats. They have little rainbow chips in them. I do like that they're individually wrapped. They were pretty inexpensive, like $2 something for this. I don't know, I've never tried these, and Rice Krispie treats just sounded really good, so I grabbed those. I did get a couple more of these. I really love these. I showed these in the past couple weeks. Grocery hauls. They're the Life Cuisine Lifestyle Bowls in the low carb meat lover cauliflower pizza bowl. These are really good. They have 13 grams of net carbs, 20 grams of protein per bowl. They are high in fat, 30 grams of fat. But they're just really good. I don't know how to explain it other than that. I think these would be good if you added in like maybe some ground turkey or ground sausage. Of course they're good on their own, but I absolutely love these. They're $3.68 at Walmart, so I did get 2. I think I'll just continue to buy like 2 per week, and then I just have them a couple days a week for lunches on my lunch break, and they're really, really tasty. And I've been having these with like a piece of fruit and some water, and it does fill me up for, you know, that lunch hour, and then I'm good to go until I make dinner when I get home. But just wanted to recommend those because I have been buying them consistently and I do enjoy them. Great Value kettle cooked original potato chips, Cape Cod dark russet chips. These are like the burnt looking ones, because I think my husband's really gonna like those. I've been wanting Cool Ranch Doritos, so I got those. And Grady has been asking for puffy Cheetos, and I actually love these, so I picked those up. I also got some Quaker apple cinnamon rice cakes. I really like these at night. Like if I get a sweet tooth, I like having one of these at night with some peanut butter on it. It's just really satisfying and a little bit healthier option than eating, you know, a whole tub of ice cream or a whole sleeve of cookies, which is really easy to do at night if you are a night eater. I got some Black Forest Juicy Burst real fruit juice fruit snacks. I always get the biggest box. It's by far the most cost effective. This is 40 pouches and it's under $6. And I think the one that has like 15 pouches is $3, so it's just way more cost effective. A Capri Sun Roaring Water in the grape flavor. Some of these Lance lemon cream like sandwich cookies. They're just like little, I think they're like wheat cookies, and they have like a lemon filling in them. These are literally amazing. I don't buy them very often because I could legit eat the whole box. They are so good. If you like Nutter Butter cookies and you like chocolate, you will be in trouble if you try these because they are amazing. I did have a coupon for these, which is why I bought them. I try to make myself forget about them because they're so good, but I did have a $1 off coupon, so I just grabbed them as a major treat because they are seriously dangerous. And then I did have coupons for both of these. Normally I get the Persil in the BJ's club size, so it's like 2 of these, but I had a $3 off coupon, so I just used it on this size, which was the smallest size. It's still a nice size bottle. It's 50 loads. I think it was about $10, and then I got $3 off, which was nice because I don't need Persil right now. I have a big BJ's size bottle to use up, but I always go through laundry detergent, as we all do. I do a load every single day and multiple loads on the weekends, so we do go through it, and I picked that up. And I also am trying this Clorox laundry sanitizer. It's similar to like the Lysol laundry sanitizer, but just you know, a competing brand, and I had a $2 off coupon on this, and it was like $8. So I'm gonna try this out. I use the Lysol one right now, but if this is pretty much the same thing, you know, whatever one is cheaper, as long as it gets the job done, I will continue to repurchase it. So again, that's everything plus the paper towels, and I'm gonna share my meal plan with you for the upcoming week. Alright, so meal plan for the upcoming week. I do apologize in advance if you can hear like saws and power tools going in the background. My husband is actually building some custom shelving for a customer, and I'm as far away from the garage as possible right now, but you might be able to still hear it. So for the upcoming week, one night I'm going to do some stuffed pepper soup. I do have a video on this, so I'll link it down below in the description box. It's also in my cooking video playlist that has all my recipes that I've ever done on my channel. Another night I'm going to do some Ritz chicken. I've showed this a couple times in different dinner videos. I just have some Ritz crackers. I crush them up and then I use it as a coating on some chicken breast. I might make some rice with it. And I do have some broccoli cheese, twice baked potatoes in the freezer that I did a big batch of and froze, so I need to thaw those out if I want to have it with that chicken. I'm going to do a pasta bake with that chorizo, sausage, whatever veggies I want to use up. I've got a bunch of different veggies right now. I've got cauliflower, broccoli, peppers, onions, all different things, tomatoes, and I'll just do a different pasta bake using some things I want to use up. For our no meat night, I'm going to do a quiche and a salad. I think for the quiche, I will do some maybe either broccoli cheddar, or I might do roasted tomato, mushroom, and cheddar. Something with no meat, of course, and then I'll just do a salad on the side. I have some ground turkey to use up, so I'm going to do a ground turkey, sweet potato, and black bean chili, which is literally just those three ingredients with some fire roasted diced tomatoes, some chili, you know, seasoning, like a packet of chili seasoning. I usually throw onion and garlic in, and it's just really good and easy. And then I'm going to do the Zuppa Toscana Olive Garden copycat soup one night in the crock pot with a salad. I do have a whole video on this soup. I actually have two versions. I have a crock pot and a stovetop version, so I'll link those both down below as well. And then of course, as always, I have my freebie night, which sometimes leftover, sometimes takeout, sometimes we go to my parents', sometimes it's breakfast for dinner, whatever I feel like doing that night. But yeah, this is the plan. I hope you guys have a great weekend. If you are watching the Super Bowl, please be safe out there. Have a great day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.